Welcome to the quiz play!
Y equals -4. Je me fromage blanc.
Can you figure out which character is talking just by listening to a phrase? Whose voice is this?
Y equals -4. Je me fromage blanc.
Stay until the end so you don't miss any questions. It's Meili.
Y equals -4. Je me fromage blanc.
And now, whose voice is this?
Well, my little friend, I am not.
If you need more time to think, pause the video. Yes, it's Mirabel Madrigal.
Well, my little friend, I am not.
Let's go to the next one.
Sorry, that snuck out there. What I meant was,
Here we have Louisa.
Sorry, that snuck out there. What I meant was,
Who said that?
What was that? Am I the only one who sees the danger here?
Did you know we have many other quizzes on our channel? Watch them after this video. Yes, it was me, Lee.
What was that? Am I the only one who sees the danger here?
Pay attention to this one.
He would see something terrible, and then crack, boom.
It's Felix Madrigal. Oh, I love this character. He's so funny.
Boom.
If you like this content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to receive all our new quizzes. Do it now so you don't forget, okay?
My parents said I could go when I'm 30.
Here we have Priya Mungal.
My parents said I could go when I'm 30.
And now, whose voice is this?
No one will know. Just act normal. No one has to know.
It's from Agustin Madrigal.
No one will know. Just act normal. No one has to know.
Uh-oh, here we have a difficult one.
Wow, who are you? I love it!
It's Miriam Mendelssohn.
Wow, who are you? I love it!
And now, whose voice is this?
Actually, me. I used to say my real gift was acting.
It's Bruno.
Actually, me. I used to say my real gift was acting.
Are you getting all the questions right?
That was you in the bathroom! I didn't imagine it!
This is Stacy Freak's voice.
You in the bathroom! I didn't imagine it!
And that's it. Thanks for watching. We're so happy to have you here. To have more quizzes from the quiz play, click on the cards. See you. Bye.